Good morning everybody. So in this video we will discuss one more question based on structure that they have already asked in paper May 2016 for 10 marks. Let us read the question carefully. Question is, explain structure in C. What do you mean by nested structure? Then they have given a company needs to maintain data about their employees. Details to be maintained are employee name, department, date of joining and salary. And we have to write a program to store all these details, and we have to display only those employees whose salary is greater than 50,000. Remember here, the parameters that we have to consider in this structure are employee name, department name, date of joining and salary. Let us begin with program. Okay, so let us declare a structure with name employee, struct employee. Four parameters we have to consider: employee name. So for storing name we will require character array, so assign maximum size. And employee department name, again for storing department name we will require character array. Then employee date of joining, so date of joining again can be further split into three parts. First one is a day, then month and then year. So for that, here we will define one more structure. So before defining that structure, here we'll consider next parameter first, that is salary. So employee salary. And now we have to store date of joining. So define nested structure here with the name date of joining. And as we have discussed earlier in our previous video, date of joining can be further split into three parts, where first part is day, second part is month and last part is year. They have not mentioned that how many records we have to store, records of how many employees we have to store. So let us store the record of 3 employees. So here this is a nested structure with the name DOJ. So we have to define array of structure here. So how to write A of 3. And then finally we have to close this employee structure here, and we have to define array of type EMPL again with size 3, because I have given 3 here because we want to store the records of 3 employees. Now we have to store actual details. For that we will require for loop. So in for loop we require one variable. So I define here variable as I. Now next step is clear screen. Now we have to write for loop I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Now what is the purpose of this for loop? This for loop is used to store details. So initially we have to display message for employee, like enter employee name, enter name of first employee. So enter name of first means percentage employee, here slash n, comma percentage value, just like our previous videos, we'll take it from I plus 1. So after getting this message, user will enter employee name. We have to store that. So for storing scanf, we have to store employee name. So it is of type string. That's why format specifier as %s, comma what is the name of location where employee name we have to store. It is e of I dot enm. So and e of I dot enm. the same way we have to store department name. So once again, enter department of percent employee slash n comma I plus 1. Then we have to store department name. So department name again of type string, that's why format specifier is %s, and we have to store department name in ERI dot DNM array. Similarly, we have to store employee salary as well. So printf display message enter employee salary of percentage employee slash n I plus 1, and then we have to store that salary. So for storing salary again scanf, so we have to store salary, it is of type integer, that's why format specifier is %t, and the name of the location is e of I dot es employee salary. And finally we have to store employee date of joining. So for that nested structure given here, we have to display first message. How to display message? Enter day, comma, month and year of date of joining of percentage employee, where percentage value again we will take it from I plus 1. So after getting this message, user will enter 3 values, where first value is day, second is month and third one is year. So how to write scanf here? We want to store 3 values. So type of day, month and year, here we have given it as integer. So %d, again %d. So where at which location we have to store day of first day of date of joining of first employee is, and e of I dot d of I dot db. See, this e is from this location, then this d is from this location, and this dd is this one. So this is actually location where day will get stored. Similarly, we have to store month as well. So name of the location where month is stored is e of I dot d of I dot mm. And finally, we have to store year of joining. So and e of I dot d of I dot y, year of joining, and then close this for. Now what is the purpose of this for? This for is used to store the details. So wherever required, give /n so that it will just display all the details in proper format. Now according to question, after storing all the details, we have to display name of all the employees whose salary is greater than 50,000. So in this case, how to display name of employees whose salary is greater than 50,000? So we have to check salaries of all the employees. Currently how many employees are present? 3 employees. So we have to first check salary of first employee, and then we have to check condition whether it is greater than 50,000 or not. If greater than 50,000, then we have to display name of that employee, otherwise no need to display anything. So we have to now compare salary of all the available employees. So though here we have to compare salary of all available employee, here we have to use for loop. But before using for loop, here we can use simple printf. It will display message like name of all employees with salary greater than 50,000 slash. Now after this, actually we have to display name, and if we want to display name, then we have to check for all the salaries, and for that here once again we have to use for. For I is equal to 0, I is less than 3, I plus plus. We have to check salary. Initially salary of first employee, then second, then third. So name of the location where salary of first employee is stored is e of I dot es, where I is 0 means e of 0 dot es. In that location salary of first employee is stored. Name of location where salary of second employee is stored is e of 1 dot es, and so on. So here within this for we have to use if we have to compare salaries. Here how to write condition e of I dot salary es is greater than 50,000. If this condition is true, see what will happen in this case. At first iteration I 0 less than 3 true come inside, so this will become like what, e of 0 dot es. So in e of 0 dot es salary of first employee is stored. If it is greater than 50,000, then we have to display name of that employee. So how to display name? Printf. How to display name? So printf second form we have to use here. So we have to display name means format specifier is %s. Here you can give slash n if you want, comma, from which location, e of I dot enm. Close this. If salary is not greater than 50,000, no need to display anything, so no need to write else of this if. Okay, so see here what will happen. 0 less than 3 true, so e of 0 dot es, if it is greater than 50,000 will display. If this condition is false, then control will be again on I plus plus, so mu I will become 1 less than 3 true come inside, so this will become e of 1 dot es means salary of second employee. This will display name of that employee, and so on. Now finally here we have to write get ch, okay, and close main. So getting use of this for, see actually once again we'll just revisit this program. So here we define employee structure with 4 parameters: employee name, department, employee salary, and date of joining. So date of joining means this will become a nested structure. So while this for loop we use for storing details in structure, okay, and then next for loop, now storing detail we have to just display only name of those employee having salary greater than 50,000. Okay. So here this for loop is used to check the name of the employee with the salary greater than 50,000. So if this condition is true, its meaning is salary is greater than 50,000 and we have to display name. And if this condition is false, then salary is not greater than 50,000. Then this condition is false, means this part will not execute. Directly control will transfer on I plus plus. So mu I will become 1. It will check salary of next employee, and so on. So let us compile this program. One warning given. So here actually in this program they have asked the details of employee having salary greater than 50,000. So if it is greater than 50,000, so it may be 70,000, 80,000, 90,000. So it may cross a range of integer. So let us define salary type long int. so that we can store larger values in that. So if it is of type long int, then while storing employee salary, instead of %d, here we have to use %ld for long int. And similarly, okay, that's it. So once again, compile this. Now warning gone. Now execute. Enter name of first employee. Again, suppose Amit. Department of first employee. Suppose computer. And salary. Salary here I am giving as 70,000. Okay, which is above 50,000. Then date, month, and year of joining. So suppose 7th of April 2014. Then enter name of second employee. Suppose Amol. Then department. Suppose EXTC. Then asking for salary, I'm keeping salary of Amol less than 50,000 intentionally, suppose 40,000. And joining, that is suppose 14th of 5th 2012. And last employee now, suppose Manoj. Department, suppose IT. Salary, suppose 90,000. And date of joining is, say suppose 24th of March 2016. So here now I am providing all the details where I am having two employees with salary greater than 50,000. First employee is Amit and second employee is Manoj. As far as salary of Amol is concerning, it is less than 40,000. So now if I press enter, it has to display me the message like name of the employee with salary greater than 50,000 are Amit and Manoj. Let us verify the output. See here, read the output carefully. Concentrate on last 3 to 4 lines. Name of all employees with salary greater than 50,000, Amit and Manoj. It has not displayed name of Amol because salary of Amol is less than 40,000. So this is all about this program. Thank you. Thank you for watching my tutorial.